Hello, welcome to Juice with Gigi. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and join the family. Let's get healthy together. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. Thank you for the love and support. Thank you for being there for me. Today we'll be making strawberries, orange and grapes juice. Guys, if I tell you that this is the most tasty juice you'll ever have, you might not believe me, but trust me, this is the facts. This juice is so tasty, guys. So like we already said, you just need oranges, strawberries and grapes to make this juice. It's so easy. You would love it and your whole family is going to love it. So you might as well just make a big portion, because everybody is going to want to have like two glasses. I can promise you that. So let's get into it. First, you start by removing your grapes from the stalk. My grapes here are seedless grapes, seedless green grapes. You can use red grapes as well, any grape that you like. If you're using grapes that has seeds, then you have to de-seed your grapes. Okay, I think I'll show you in another video, but for this video we are using seedless grapes because they are easy and they don't stress you a lot, so that's why I chose this one. But if you don't find this, then you can use normal grapes with seeds and just de-seed the grapes before using. If you're using a juicer like me, then there's no need to de-seed it. The juicer is going to do the work for you. So you just need to, like I'm doing, remove the grapes from the stalk. Okay, if you're going to be blending it, then definitely you need to de-seed it. Next step, you have to wash your strawberries and keep them in a clean bowl. Now here I'm dicing my strawberries, but you don't have to do that. This is my personal preference, but if you want to put it whole, you can totally do that. Finally, we are down to the orange, so you have to wash your oranges and remove the skin. Okay, and then you get yourself ready to start juicing. So guys, now that we have finished prepping all our fruits, it's time to juice the fruits. So you can start in any order, put the fruits in any order, that's totally fine. Guys, I really love this juice because it's packed with so many nutrients. The oranges gives you a rich source of vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin E. It also boosts your immune system. You have the juice will help you lower your blood blood pressure. It will also help to boost your cardiovascular health. It's so good, packed with antioxidants. You know, strawberries is very rich in antioxidants, so this is a power packed juice for yourself, for your family, your kids. Everybody can have this juice, it doesn't matter. And as young as 8 months, once they start having solids, they can have this juice. It's so healthy. Your family is going to thank you, your kids are going to thank you, your grandparents are going to thank you. So this is really healthy, guys. I'm so happy you're making this juice, and I look forward to reading your reviews in the comment section and getting your reactions to this video. So guys, our juice is finally ready. You can go ahead and serve it directly without ice, or you can add ice and serve it to family and friends. Either way, I promise you, you will love it and they will love it too. So let me know your comment in the comment section if you loved the recipe, if you tried it, and what was your feedback. And if you have any suggestions for any other recipes you would like me to try, please leave them in the comment section. I really appreciate it. Stay blessed. Love you. Bye.